Welcome to WatchOut Wearables. WatchOut has introduced the all-new Kid smartphone, a device specially designed for children where the entire control remains in the hands of parents. Let's begin with a quick look at the phone. This is the Kid's educational smartphone. Inside the box, you will get a protective cover. The phone itself comes in two attractive colors, blue and pink. On the front, you have the home button along with the front camera. On the left side, there are volume buttons, volume up and down buttons, a reset hole and a microphone. At the back, you get a rear camera with a flash. On the right side, there's power button, a speaker, and a dedicated camera shutter button. At the bottom, there is an SD card slot, a Type-C charging port, a 3.5 mm headphone jack, and even a lanyard holder so that kids can safely carry the phone around. Let's see the features of this phone now. To check the features, first we need to enter the parental control mode. At the bottom of the screen, you will find an option where you can enter the default password, which is 0000. Once you enter, you reach the parental control page. The first thing parents need to do is connect Wi-Fi because this phone does not support SIM cards. Internet access is only possible through Wi-Fi. To connect, you simply go to settings. Now click on Android settings. Open the network option, turn Wi-Fi on, enter the password, and now you're connected. You can also pair Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers, and you will also find basic Android settings such as notifications, battery, display, storage, and privacy controls in a simplified layout. There are more hidden features. Just click on search bar and search whatever you're looking for. The settings are same as Android phone settings. The phone comes preloaded with several educational apps. The very first app is a story app where children can listen to stories related to animals and insects. The Montessori app teaches kids in a fun way by using real life examples. For instance, a pizza is shown as a circle, a biscuit as a square, a lemon as a semicircle. Then there is First Learning app, which covers A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, the teachings of preschools, nurseries. A brain training app is included for mental exercises, and a STEM app for physical life and earth sciences. There is also an art and craft app for creativity, a gallery, music and video apps, calculator, flashlight, and sound recorder. Kids will enjoy the AR Zoo app, which brings animals to life using the augmented reality. You will find some stickers in the box, which are to be used while using the AR Zoo app. Instructions are given while using the AR Zoo app, so it's easy to use for kids. If parents or kids want to install more apps, the phone has the Aurora Store, from where the safe and relevant apps like kids' games can be downloaded. As a demo, we have shown you some apps on the screen. Even social media apps can be downloaded. There is a Star Messenger app, a child-friendly communication app. Your kids can add their friends, even parents and relatives can be added and can chat. One of the most exciting apps is the Watch This app. It's an AI app. When you point the camera at any object, the app identifies it and explains what it is. Kids also get access to Kids Tube, which only shows safe content, special kids search app that acts as a safe search engine. All the content are related to kids only. WhatsApp is also available, best app for video calls and messaging, but remains fully under parental control. For creativity, there is an iDraw app where kids can color, sketch, paint as shown on the app. Here you will also find a camera app for photos and videos. Now let's return to the parental control section. Here parents can decide which app the child is allowed to use. They can control access to media like photos, videos, music, and movies. Another very useful feature is the ability to create multiple accounts. So if you have two children, each child have their own profile with different access. Parents can even decide apps according to age. For example, giving STEM app to older kids and first learning apps to younger ones. Parents can also set limits. You can restrict usage by days and hours, ensuring your child only uses the phone within the limits you define. There is also a statistics feature that shows how much time your child spends on the phone and which apps they are using. In security settings, you can change passwords and manage privacy. Finally, when a child wants to use the phone, they select their profile from kids mode. Only the apps and features approved by parents will appear for that particular child. This ensures complete safety while making learning fun and engaging. And that's how the new WatchOut LearnPhone works. A smart balance of education, entertainment, and parental control. Thank you for watching.